Every Monday, we're going to practice the Long Mul Mantra together to help build our pranic power both ways and to give us that auric projection with our sound current. Mul Mantra is the root mantra. It's very, very special. It gives you your roots into the earth and into the heavens. The angelic realms, the celestial realms, they don't have a root mantra like the Mul Mantra. Very unique to us. And they worship it. They're here and they're like, we wish we had that. We could be practicing that. Satnams, I am truth, and that's inside the Mul Mantra. And the whole power of the universe is inside this Mul Mantra. The basic coding of your soul's power is activated through the Mul Mantra.